Next, grab your piece of origami paper and put the side you want to see face down. Then fold your paper diagonally to make a triangle. Then unfold it and you will see a crease here. Take both edges of the paper and fold it to that crease to make a triangle. Like this. Then do it on the other side. Then take both edges of your paper again to fold over that triangle we just made to make an even longer triangle. Like this. Then do it on the other side. Then take your little point up here and fold it to where I am pointing, down here. Then take that same point and fold it up just a little bit. It isn't an exact amount, but this is for the swan's head. You can just estimate, about this much. Then flip your paper over and fold in half. Then pull up the neck of your swan like this. It should pop up like this. Then push up the head a little bit. Yay, we finished making the origami swan.